Hey guys, the hair that I'm trying today is from MegaLook, and I'm going to be trying their 6x5 glueless deep curly wig in 24 inches. And this is a wear and go wig, and the density is 180. So this is the gift in the package, and this is the hair. So I'm about to open it up and show you guys. So as you can see, the length is written on the packaging is 24 inches, and they give you extra elastic band to secure it. And this is the curl, this is what it looks like. And yeah, let's see the inside. So this is a beginner friendly kind of wig where you just wear and go. It's already pre-cut for you. As you can see, the lace is pre-cut, but when I tried it on my head, which you're going to see, I ended up doing some adjustment a little bit. But this is the inside, okay, and this is the lace area. It's already plucked as well, so yeah, they kind of just made it easy for you, as you can see. So this is the curl, and the first thing we're going to do is to tint the lace, as you can see, just to change the color. And then we're going to spray some water and some leave-in conditioner, and we're just going to put it on. So with the way the wig is pre-cut, when I tried it on my head without doing any work, as you can see, this is what it looks like. I haven't manipulated the lace in any way, but yeah, so it's good that they have it in their mind to like make it easy for beginners and pre-cut the lace. But for my specific round head, for some reason the front wasn't, it was too long for my forehead or for my hairline, so I ended up just like cutting it out. So you're going to just see me do that. But yeah, this may work for some people with different shape of head and different size of head. But for my head shape and size, I decided to just like cut off a little bit in the front and just make it, you know, just match my head, if that makes sense. But that's what I'm doing right now. So I wanted to bump up the front a little bit, so I kind of back combed it, as you can see, to raise it up and to make it less defined by the part area. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm just trying to manipulate it so that way it matches what I have in mind for it and make it as natural looking as possible. Yeah, this is basically the wig, guys. It's very easy to put on, and I think it's very beginner friendly if you don't know how to do too much work for like wigs and you're not into that game like that. So but yeah, this is what it ended up looking like after cutting the excess lace. And I love the density, I love the curl pattern, and the hair is very soft. And yeah, this is my kind of look. So yeah, make sure you check out MegaLook. I'm going to leave the hair in the description box, all the details of the hair, so you guys could check them out. The hair is nice and bouncy, nice and full. And towards the end of the video, I switched up the style and put it in a low ponytail, so I'm going to show you guys that as you keep on watching. And again, this is completely glueless, no glue, no got to be spray. You could lift it up and you could just wear and go. You could take it off at night, and yeah, as you can see, no glue. And right now I'm about to just do a very simple style, like a low ponytail with like 2 strands in the front like that, and just like hold it together in the back. So yeah, you could style this hair, you could do little cute styles with it, but yeah, I like simple stuff. I'm lazy, so I like things that are like easy and beginner friendly. And yeah, because I just wear wigs to go out. When I come back, take the wig off. So yeah, I'm not trying to do too much. But let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out MegaLook hair. Again, the details of this hair is in the description box. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.